Welcome back to Mindspark. Okay, today's topic is arithmetic progression, class 10, and the question is sum of the first 9 terms of an AP is 162. The ratio of its 6th term to its 13th term is 1:2, and find the first and 15 terms of the AP. Okay, what is given for you is first 9 terms. So sum of the first 9 terms, that is S9 is given. Okay. S9 is how much it's given? 162. Okay. So S9 means what? Sn is n by 2. That formula we can apply. So n by 2. Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So in place of n, what is n? N is the number of terms, and Sn is sum to n terms. So S9, wherever n is there, put S9 is equal to 9 by 2 into a plus a you don't know, first term you don't know, then n is again 9 minus 1 into d. Okay, so here S9 is equal to 9 by 2 into a plus 9 minus 1 is 80. This 9 by 2 you multiply. Okay, you multiply like this. So S9 is equal to 9 by 2 into 2a plus 9 by 2 into 80. So this 2 gets cancelled. So S9 is equal to 9a plus this 2 and 4. It goes 4 times. So 9 4s are 36d. So S9 is equal to 9a plus 36d. And in place of S9, you can substitute 162. That is given for you. Okay. So wherever S9 is there, you can substitute 162 is equal to 9a plus 36d. You can divide throughout this equation throughout, you can divide by 9. So if you divide, what happens? This will go how many times? 162 divided by 9 is equal to 18. Okay. You get 18 is equal to this 9 and 9 gets cancelled. This will go how many times? 18 times. And this will go 4 times. So we'll get 18 is equal to a plus 4d. Is it clear? So this is equation 1. You can name it as equation 1. Now next they are given the ratio. Okay. What is the ratio they are given? 6th term to its 13th term. So the ratio of its 6th term, that is a6 by a13. Ratio of 6th term to its 13th term is given 1:2. So you can write 1:2. What is 6th term? 6th term is a plus 5d. Okay. So a plus 5d by a plus 12d is equal to 1:2 or 1 by 2. Now we cross multiply. Okay, cross multiply. So 2 into a plus 5d is equal to a plus 12d. 2a, 2 you can multiply. Okay, so 2 you can multiply with a. So 2 into a and 2 into 5d, that is 10d. This you can bring left hand side. So minus a minus 12d is equal to 0. Clear? 2 like terms you subtract. 2a minus a is how much? A. and 10d minus 12d is minus 2d equal to 0. This is your second equation. Now, first equation and second equation, you can solve it for a and d. Shall I wrap this one? Yeah. So when you see the two equations, that is a plus 4d is equal to 18 and a minus 2d is equal to 0. So solve this. Okay, you can subtract. So when you subtract, what happens? This a gets cancelled. Okay. So 4 plus 2 is how much? 6d is equal to 18, or d is equal to 18 by 6. How many times will go? So d is equal to 3. Common difference, d is what? Common difference is equal to 3. This 3 you can substitute back into any of the equations. Okay. So I'll substitute in second equation. So a plus or a minus 2d is equal to 0. So wherever d is there, in place of d you put 3. So you get a minus 6 is equal to 0, or a is equal to 6. So you got first term and second term. So find the first term. So you can see that. So the first term is, you are getting 6, and you have to find out 15 terms. 15th term. Okay. Shall I rub this? Okay. So a is equal to 6 and d is equal to 3. What they are asking is, so the first part is, you got it, first term is 6, and 15th term. Okay. What is 15th term? That is a 15 is equal to, so before that, you know, nth term is what? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into 3. So wherever n is there, that is n is the number of terms, and a is the last term or nth term. So a, and in place of a, n you put 15 is equal to first term. First term, how much you got? 6 plus 15 minus 1 into d. Common difference is how much? 3. Clear? So a15 is equal to 6 plus 14 into, first you have to multiply. Okay, don't add 6 to 14. So according to BODMAS, you have to multiply. So a15 is equal to 6 plus, this is 242, that is 40. So a15 is 15th term. You understand? So 15th term is how much? 42. The first term, they are asking the question, find the first term and 15th term. So that is, first term is what? How much? First term, that is a is equal to 6, and 15th term, that is a15 is equal to 14. Okay. So this is the answer for the given question. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.